Let's go to review shapes. Circle. Repeat with me. Circle. Triangle. Diamond. Heart. Square. Rectangle. Star. Oval. We can do the game that we do in class. So let's start with the cards. What is this? It's a pizza. And the pizza, it's a circle. What is this? It's a red door. And the door is like a rectangle. What is this? It's a kite. The kite is like a diamond. What is this? It's an Easter egg. The Easter egg is like an oval. What is this? It's a piece of pizza, and it's like a triangle. What is this? It's a square. It's a picture that is a square. Good job.